हाय फ्रेंड्स, हेलो एंड वेलकम टू कॉम्पिटेटिव कीड़ा में आपका स्वागत है। तो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी आर हियर विद द मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल अवेयरनेस क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द मंथ ऑफ December, that is December first week, that is 1st to 7 December. Hope you have watched the video for the November and the October month banking and financial awareness question. If you have not watched, the link is there in the description. Do watch it. So without any delay, let's start. And friends, this video is very important for IBS clerk mains and all other upcoming exams. So do revise it 2 to 3 times. So the first question, which bank has recently launched a new digital transaction service through mobile phone named SimSe Pay? So the answer here is Yes Bank, and Yes Bank has launched SimSe Pay, and this is a technology in which there is no need of internet. Means the payment can be done through phone without internet. So that is why it is known as SimSe Pay, and it is launched by Yes Bank. The Competition Commission of India has approved the merger of Bharatiya Mahila Bank with which PSB? PSB here is Public Sector Bank. So SBI, the answer here is SBI. It will be merged with SBI. And recently in August 2016, the board of SBI has approved the merger of 5 of its associates and Bharatiya Mahila Bank with itself. 5 associates as in State Bank of Hyderabad, State Bank of Patiala, State Bank of Mysore, State Bank of Travancore, State Bank of Jaipur and Bikaner, and Bharatiya Mahila Bank. These 6 banks will be merged with State Bank of India, which became the first bank to launch Aadhaar payment bridge system for small ticket microfinance loan disbursement. So the answer here is RBL Bank, and it has launched this to implement the digital banking, means the digital idea of the government. Everything will be Aadhaar based. So it has launched this. So the GDP of India in the second quarter of 2016-17 has grown how much percent? So it has grown by 7.3%. Previous 3 months it was 7.1%, but in the second quarter it was 7.3%. So this is an important question. RBI has extended the time period for Aadhaar based device. Actually the question is deployment. Time period for deployment of Aadhaar based device. So it has been extended till 30th June 2017 due to the mismatch in the supply and demand of the Aadhaar enabled devices. So only remember this, for the deployment of Aadhaar enabled devices, RBI has extended the period till 30th June 2017. So which bank has launched its digital wallet CP wallet? So this has been launched by DCB Bank. And also remember friends, DCB Bank is the first bank to launch Aadhaar based ATM. It was the first bank to launch Aadhaar based ATM in Mumbai, and here they have launched an app known as CP Pay, which will help in cashless purchases. The Reserve Bank of India is going to issue new currency note of which denomination in Mahatma Gandhi series 2005, but the condition is all old previous currency note of this denomination will continue to be legal tender. As we have seen 500 and 1000, they were no more legal tender, but here new currency will be issued, but the old currency will continue to be legal tender. So the answer here is rupees 20 and rupees 50, option C. RBI has decided to print new rupees 20 and rupees 50, and those will be new notes. So 2016 will be printed on the reverse side of the note. So next question, the Reserve Bank of India has raised the market stabilization scheme ceiling to how much amount to manage the extra liquidity from the system after demonetization. So remember friends, market stabilization scheme is a scheme by which RBI issues securities and all to manage liquidity in the market. Manage liquidity. Only remember, market stabilization is a scheme by RBI to manage liquidity in the market. So here the ceiling has been increased to how much amount to manage the effect of demonetization, the extra liquidity which has resulted due to demonetization. So the ceiling has been increased to 6 lakh crore. Previously it was 30,000 crore, and now it is increased to 6 lakh crore. India's largest public sector trading body, MMTC. What is MMTC? MMTC stands for Metals and Mineral Trading Corporation. So MMTC has recently tied up with which public sector bank to sell government minted Indian gold coin? So the answer here is SBI. They have tied up with SBI to sell their 24 karat government minted gold coin, and these will be available only in 3 denomination: 5 gram, 10 gram and 20 gram. Remember friends, MMTC has tied up with SBI to sell gold coins. So the next question, Yes Bank has recently tied up with which cab services company to set up mobile ATM at 30 location in 10 cities? So remember friends, Yes Bank has tied up with Ola Cabs, and previously we have studied Yes Bank was in news because it has launched a service known as SIMSE Pay, and here it has tied up with Ola Cabs to set up mobile ATM. So next question, the union government has announced the gross non-performing asset of public sector bank has touched what amount in the 3 months starting from July to September. So it has touched option A 66 lakhs 40,000, so approximately 66 lakh, and this amount is in crore. Remember friends. What does R in DRT stands for? So what is DRT? DRT means Debt Recovery Tribunal. So R here stands for recovery. This was in news because recently 6 new DRT has been opened to fight the NPA problems. So which became India's first constituency to have health insurance for all people, including the newborn, and this will be for 1 year. So the answer here is Vijayawada. Vijayawada became the first constituency to have health insurance for all people. So where is Vijayawada? Vijayawada is in Andhra Pradesh, and Andhra Pradesh government has signed a deal with Tata Trust. Tata Trust to have health insurance for all the people in the constituency. And the scheme name is, the insurance scheme name is Swasthya Kutumba. Swasthya Kutumba is the scheme name. It has been implemented in Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh. So remember this. And the partner here is Tata Trust. So due to demonetization, RBI has lowered the GDP forecast. So what is the new GDP forecast? So the new GDP forecast is option B 7.1. Previously it was in 7.6, and but after demonetization, RBI has given the new forecast that is 7.1. This was announced in the monetary policy review. So next question, in order to boost the small value online transaction, RBI has relaxed the two-factor authentication for payment up to what amount? So the two-factor authentication has been relaxed for payment up to rupees 2000. Remember this. This was mainly due to demonetization and promote cashless transaction. Which e-commerce website and digital payment wallet has recently launched its toll-free helpline number 1800 to promote transaction through phone without internet connection. So this has been done by Paytm. They have launched this toll-free number, and this has been done after demonetization. So this question become important. So they have done this to promote cashless transaction in phone without internet connection also. So the answer is Paytm. So the next question, what does F in NFS stand for? So NFS is, the full form is National Financial Switch, and these are the network, means this is a network of ATM, and this was recently in news because 100 banks have joined the National Financial Switch ATM network. And so the answer here is F stands for financial. Remember this full form, National Financial Switch. So the next question, to promote digital transaction in rural areas, which financial organization has announced to provide monetary support of rupees 228 crore to a responsible bank to set up POS machine and EMB based debit card for farmers? So the answer is NABARD. NABARD will be doing so. They will provide 228 crore to the responsible bank who will set up POS machine and EMB based debit card for farmers. So remember the answer is NABARD. So next question, RBI has clarified recently that who will have to bear the full liability in the event of securitization breach or compromission of authorized card network. So the respective banks will have to bear the full liability in case of any security breaches in authorized card network. So the answer is respective banks. So which bank has announced that it will transfer 100 villages into digital village in 100 days? So the answer here is ICICI Bank. This is a direct question, remember this. Who has been appointed as the interim CEO of National Stock Exchange of India? So J. Ravichandra has been appointed as the interim CEO because the CEO has resigned. So J. Ravichandran has been appointed as the interim CEO of NSE, National Stock Exchange. So the next question, who has been named the Forbes Asia 2016 Business Person of the Year? So Cheng Wei, the CEO of Didi. Didi is a cab service in China, and the CEO is Cheng Wei. So has been awarded the Forbes Asia 2016 Businessman of the Year. So the next question, which Indian bank has been adjudged the best bank for SME lending? Vijaya Bank has been adjudged as the best bank for SME lending. So remember this friends, Vijaya Bank. So friend, these were the most expected question from the December banking and financial awareness from the first week of December. The second week banking and financial awareness we will upload tomorrow. So do subscribe us, you will get the notification when we upload that. These are very important for upcoming exams. So please like this video, share this video with your friends, and do subscribe us, like our Facebook page. It is given in the link is there in the description, like our Facebook page. So keep enjoying, keep studying. Thank you.